Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of black camera error or any platform, like it can be Discord or your any meeting or online test that you are giving over Zoom or Google Meet or anywhere. Now, in order to fix all of that, all you need to do is to just simply go to the start menu, then click on search for camera privacy settings. Inside the camera privacy settings, first of all, make sure that the camera is enabled. From here, camera access. Now under this that says let apps access your camera, make sure that every application like your Zoom meetings, OBS Studio, Google Chrome is enabled with your camera like this. Once you enable the camera, now you'll notice that the issue that you're facing previously because of the black camera issues, any camera glitch, all of them will definitely get solved.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.